I've had this practice with my husband since 2006. We started with laser hair removal and also with Botox and fillers. Now over the years we've expanded into treating rosacea, acne, fine lines and wrinkles, large pores, any damaged skin we can treat. With my husband's and my medical background, the natural progression was to go into smart lipo. The smart lipo that we have has been around for a while, but we waited for 5 years because, as everybody understands, that lasers can only improve over time. The new smart lipo that we have here tends to have safety features that would prevent burns. It also has features that tighten skin. It also can melt fat, superficial and deep.
Smart Lipo Triplex permanently melts away fat in just one treatment. Do you have love handles, bat wings, muffin tops, saddlebags, or jowls that don't respond to exercise and diet? They all improve dramatically using Smart Lipo Triplex with minimal downtime and less pain than traditional liposuction alone. Because Smart Lipo actually tightens tissue, you don't have to worry about dimpling and sagging afterward. Smart Lipo Triplex is performed using a small cannula or tube about the size of the tip of a pen, which is inserted under the skin. The laser delivers energy directly to the fat cells through the cannula, causing them to rupture. The liquefied fat is then gently suctioned out. New collagen is produced, resulting in tissue tightening. The 3 laser wavelengths contained in the Smart Lipo Triplex allow your physician to customize treatments based on the nature of your own concerns.
The ideal candidate that we look for are people who have worked out and eat well. But there are certain areas in their body that don't respond to exercise and diet. And these are the areas, for example, could be lower abdominal or flanks, like in a woman who's had a few kids who tends not to be able to get rid of the lower abdominal skin and fat, or in a man, the flanks don't look as good as he would like it to look. And so the Smart Lipo helps them to tighten the skin, get rid of the fat, as well as sculpt their bodies.
I'm a physically active person. I go to Curves and work out weekly, and I'm pretty self-conscious about what I eat, but it just wasn't working for me. I still had areas in my stomach, my flanks just wasn't going away. So when I heard about Smart Lipo, I was ecstatic to try it.
Smart Lipo Triplex is the most advanced laser-assisted lipolysis system available. This unique technology safely delivers the optimal blend of 3 laser wavelengths for better fat removal and enhanced tissue tightening. 5 reasons to ask for Smart Lipo Triplex by name? It's proven. Smart Lipo is the #1 choice of physicians around the world. It's less invasive. As a minimally invasive procedure, Smart Lipo doesn't carry the risks and expense associated with more invasive surgery. It's safer. As the only laser-assisted lipolysis with intelligent delivery systems, Smart Lipo is built with safety and consistency in mind. It's effective. Smart Lipo is supported by 8 years of clinical studies. It's the most trusted. Smart Lipo is the most widely accepted and clinically studied laser-assisted lipolysis system available today. With a 94% patient approval rate, it inspires total confidence.
The feedback from our patients have been great. We follow up with them within a week, and when they come back, they already are noticing the changes, and they like it. And also they love the fact that they could go back to work within a couple of days. And we then check them up in a month, and they are also very pleased with the results, and they also understand that the maximum results would be seen within 6 months.
People often wonder, what are the advantages of Smart Lipo Triplex over conventional liposuction procedures? First, both treatments remove fat, but unlike Smart Lipo Triplex, conventional liposuction can leave behind loose skin. Second, because local anesthetic is typically used with Smart Lipo Triplex treatments instead of a general anesthesia, you're awake during the procedure. That's a real plus, leading to a faster, easier recovery. Smart Lipo Triplex can also create a high-definition, sculpted look by defining waistlines in women and abdominal muscles in men.
I had the Smart Lipo done on Tuesday. By Thursday, I was back to my full activities, working out, cleaning the house and such, and within 2 weeks, I was back at Curves.
Laser hair removal. Remove unwanted hair faster and more effectively with cosmetic laser treatments. Almost everyone has unwanted hair somewhere on their body. Unfortunately, traditional hair removal routines can be tedious, painful, and expensive over time. Shaving may last a day, waxing a couple of weeks, but none of them last forever. And therein lies the true beauty of laser hair removal. To eliminate unwanted hair, the laser emits a gentle pulse of energy that passes through the skin to the hair follicle. This energy is then absorbed into the hair follicle to destroy it so that hair can never grow there again. Laser hair removal can be applied to all areas of the body on both men and women, and all skin types can be treated. Reverse the signs of sun-damaged skin with cosmetic laser facial treatments. If you're an active person, chances are you spend more than your fair share of time in the sun, and if you're over 30, you're more likely to show signs of premature aging due to sun damage. With laser facial skin treatments, you can now treat sunspots, pigmented lesions, and overall skin texture, giving you a more revitalized appearance than you've had in years. Unwanted veins can be caused by a number of things. Red, blue, or purple leg and facial veins can be a result of sun exposure, use of oral contraceptives, hormone therapy, age, or genetics, just to name a few. A cosmetic laser emits a prescribed dose of energy to the vein. The laser selectively targets the problem veins while sparing surrounding areas. After treatment, the vessel will naturally disappear. Typically, only 1 or 2 treatments are required, and results can be seen in as little as 3 to 4 weeks. Treatment time usually varies between 10 and 20 minutes, depending on the size of the area treated. Our laser treatments can remove the imperfections caused by a wide variety of benign pigmented lesions. Discover the positive effects laser therapy can have on your physical appearance as well as your state of mind. The number of required treatments is dependent on such factors as lesion depth and size. However, most people with dermal lesions need 5 to 6 treatments and begin to see results after only 1 or 2 sessions. You may feel your frown lines make you look tired and unapproachable, or you may have other reasons. Botox Cosmetic is a prescription medicine that is injected into muscles and used to improve the look of moderate to severe frown lines. Treatments are performed in adults younger than 65 years of age, and the results are temporary. It works by blocking nerve impulses to the injected muscles. This reduces muscle activity that causes persistent frown lines to form.